Hey Alexa, thanks for sending us in your math question. It's real similar to the last one you sent. So we're going to solve by completing the square once again. Okay, so I'm going to add 7x to both sides. So we'll get 2x squared plus 7x, and then equals negative 29. Okay, so just like the previous question, the first thing you want to do is take out the 2 because you cannot complete the square unless there is a 1 as the coefficient. So we're going to go ahead and take out that 2, and we're going to be left with x squared plus 7 halves x, and then plus something equals negative 29. Okay, so we have our term in front of the x is 7 halves. So we're going to take 7 halves. I'm going to divide by 2, which is the same thing as multiplying by 1 half. Okay, so we get 7/4. Then we have to square this. So we get 49 over 16. Okay, so that's what we're going to add to both sides. Well, the left side to complete the square. So we're going to do 49 over 16. Okay. Now, if we add a number to the left side, we got to add to the right side. Now, the thing is, there's a 2 here, so we have to multiply these two because we're not actually adding 49 over 16. You're actually adding 2 times 49 over 16. Okay. The 2 and the 16 would cancel and give you 8, so you'll get 49 over 8. Okay. So, if we scroll down a little bit here, if we factor this perfect square trinomial, we'll get x plus 7/4 squared. Now I got the 7/4 from this guy here because I asked myself what times what would give me 49 over 16, and the answer is 7 over 4. Okay, so now we have to combine these guys over here. So we need an 8 on the bottom and a, let's see here, so we can combine these two fractions. So if we do 29 times 8 on our calculator here, we get 232. Okay, so this is 232. Okay, and then we will combine those and get negative 232 plus 49 equals negative 183. Okay, and then we'll times both sides by 1 half to get rid of the 2. Okay, the 2's will cancel. We'll get x plus 7/4 equals negative 183 over 16. Okay, so at this point, we normally would square root both sides and solve for x. However, we have a squared term equals a negative number. That cannot happen. You cannot square a number and have it equal a negative number. So therefore, there is no real numbers that would satisfy this equation. So the answer is no solution. All right, I hope that made sense. Thank you so much for using SnapMath, Alexa. We hope to answer your questions in the future.